shelter under highway overpasses. If you cannot safely drive away from the tornado, as a last resort, either park your vehicle and stay put, or abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: in Nebraska, Lancaster, and Saunders.